Hi guys, welcome back to my startup channel. So today I'm doing a real quick video on some items I've purchased for my new venture. Not purchased anything expensive, but I've got several small items and my first reasonable priced purchase that'll help me do my stuff. So it's literally just a quick unboxing of what I bought. Just some of the stuff that I'm going to be using. So first things first, let's make a start. So what we got in here? So this one got a creative helping hands series. Obviously that's for holding items when you're working on them, which should come in really handy because there's something I tried to do and didn't do it, you know, need a third hand. This is some UV resin glue for something I want to fix. Obviously comes with a glue and a UV pen. Next item. Got in here. Okay, yeah, that's just a cable for my monitor. And also got some cleaning pens, and each one's got a different type of tip. So one's got like brass, and can't remember what the other ones are off the top of my head, but I saw somebody using them, they were quite good. And the last thing I've got is probably my more expensive item that I've purchased. So power cable. Ooh. Cables, and it is a power supply. So desktop power supply made by Nankadaf, if I pronounced that right. Anyway, so I'm looking forward to using that. So see, it's an item that all people have, so decided to get one. So that's literally all it was. Real quick video. So thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.